Sister Wives, Kody Brown mourns over wife role on Twitter gets no sympathy. And Meri Brown sees stars Kody Brown has egg on his face. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my shocking news channel. Sister Wives, star Kody Brown might be fishing for sympathy with his latest complaint on Twitter. Too bad the polar opposite is happening. Certainly, it's not clear why he would post such a bizarre complaint. Instead of finding any sympathy online, it's more like he getting kicked in the comments. Sister Wives, Kody Brown feeling stifled. Kody Brown plural marriage with Robyn Brown, Meri Brown, Zanelle Brown, and Christine Brown comes with rules. It seems one of those rules is based on wording of jealousy. The Brown wives shared their need to keep jealousy to a minimum on Sister Wives through the seasons. That rule doesn't allow the man with 4 wives to show affection openly when he feels like it. This results in no flirting with one wife if any of the other wives are present. Kody Brown has 4 women who love him. So if he woos one in front of the other wives, the green-eyed monster might emerge. The Sister Wives clan plays down any bouts of jealousy this plural marriage of 5 might experience. But when Robyn came on the scene as Kody's 4th wife, jealousy was apparent. It looked like there was no disguising how the other 3 wives were feeling back then. As Kody Brown got all wound up with Robyn, the other wives took notice. When he acted like a teenager just discovering the choice of testosterone, tempers flared. While jealousy still does exist from time to time among Kody and his wives, they deal with it maturely today. Robyn explained how they look to God to stave off bouts of envy among the wives. The polygamous lifestyle on SW is based on religion. Furthermore, their specific offshoot branch of LDS encourages a man to take more than one wife. They believe God provides them with understanding. So, these 4 women try to live harmoniously, as they attempt to do on the show Sister Wives. Apparently, they believe they can happily share the patriarch. This includes bedding down with the same man. A safeguard for staving off jealousy is provided by Kody Brown. It seems it's his duty not to show affection to one wife in front of the other wives. Yet, suddenly this makes him feel sad. After spending about a quarter of a century in a polygamous marriage, why complain now? Furthermore, Kody posted his sorrow for the world to see, especially his fans of SW. Kody starts out by saying he thinks this role is very sad for him. He doesn't like the idea that he can't flirt with one of his wives while the others are present. He then claims that some things may never be safe. If this was the Sister Wives' star way of enticing empathy from people online, he missed the mark by a mile. From the many comments on his Twitter post, SW fans thought he had no right to be sad at all. You can see some of the comments posted throughout this article. Boo-hoo from the Sister Wives fans. The patriarch of the Sister Wives brood was reminded that he got himself into this in one comment. Many people didn't even acknowledge his tale of woe. They suggested the women pack up and leave him behind. Another commenter suggested Kody Brown try and empathize with his wives. Other TLC fans wondered if Kody is capable of putting himself in his wife's shoes. Just his complaint alone seems to answer that question. If he is capable of empathizing with them, he probably wouldn't have posted this comment in the first place. So, watch the new season of SW on TLC Sunday nights. Sister Wives fans are overjoyed as Meri Brown becomes a star beyond the reality show, which leaves Kody Brown haunted by his own words today. It also looks like the SW fans, who find Kody Brown as controlling and a bit self-absorbed, now see karma in the works. Sister Wives, Kody Brown the naysayer. Meri Brown made her dream come true despite the constant friction she got from Kody Brown. The other wives appeared to back Meri on her B&B venture, when face to face with her on Sister Wives. But in the end, they followed Cody's lead. Fans got to see Mary in a lonely struggle to open Lizzie Heritage Inn. While these SW episodes filmed many months ago, the season just started a few weeks ago. So in reality, the B&B has been up and running for just over a year now. Those stars Mary sees today are the 4 and 5 star ratings her business received this year from some big names. And there's something else she achieved as well. So what's all the hoopla about today over the new B&B Inn? Mary Brown worked hard to get this business going. But when the dust settled, as a new business owner, the Sister Wives star was petrified about making her venture a success. Mary has a huge mortgage to pay, and to do that she needed the rooms to fill up with guests. During the time Mary worked hard to buy the dwelling, she had a naysayer on her back, Cody Brown. He had problems with Mary moving her mother, Bonnie Alstrom, into the B&B. Cody saw Bonnie as occupying a room that should be used for making money with guests. Cody negativity came through loud and clear in the first few Sister Wives episodes this season. Cody basks in the glory that belongs to Mary Brown. Cody complained on SW that Mary Brown could never run Lizzie from a distance. At the time they still lived in Las Vegas. This happened before the Sister Wives patriarch rattled the family with the news they were moving to Flagstaff. Mary's husband didn't seem to see this new venture as positive in any way. Cody negative quips about the B&B were seen in the last few Sister Wives TLC episodes. Once hearing Cody take on this, fans shared their predictions across social media. Several mentioned that if Mary B&B did pan out as a success, Cody would be there to bask in the glory. Well, it looks like the head of the Sister Wives family now has egg on his face. Not only has Lizzie done well, but Mary B&B is also named the best country inn by the official Best of Utah. Not to mention it has earned 4 and 5 star ratings from TripAdvisor, Expedia, and Facebook. Now that spells success. This inn means so much more to Mary Brown than just a business. The house was 1870 in Parowan, Utah, by Mary ancestors. She named the inn after her great-grandmother Lizzie. Despite Mary fame, she didn't inflate the price for a stay at the inn. B&B has country charm. Guests have their choice of one of the 4 rooms detailed with old-fashioned charm. But they still offer modern amenities. The guest rooms include the B room, the East room, the Grandma room, and Sarah room. The rates subject to change range from $125 to $155 per night. This depends on which guest room you choose. Lizzie Heritage Inn website indicates guests will find it luxurious. So it looks like Cody Brown naysaying comes back to haunt him. Yes, W fans took to social media to congratulate Mary Brown on her success. They also shamed Cody after seeing Sunday night's episode, where he injected himself into Mary glory at the B8B grand opening. On Sunday night's show, fans of Sister Wives watched as Cody Brown greeted the people from the community as if he were the owner. When it came time for the ribbon cutting, Cody grabbed onto those large scissors with Mary Brown. It appeared he wasn't about to play second fiddle to Mary's success. Now with Lizzie Heritage Inn rising to the top for accommodations in Utah, the patriarch of the family might see the error of his ways. Even if he does, chances are Cody may find a way to put a spin on it, so he comes out smelling like a rose. Watch the new season of SW on TLC Sunday nights. Sister Wives star Cody Brown deals with tension among his wives, but Robyn Brown credits their fate with keeping the peace as much as possible. Their fans love to learn about lifestyle, so when Robyn Brown mentioned catfights, people took notice. 3 of the wives have been with Cody Brown for a few decades. That includes Janelle Brown, Mary Brown, and Christine Brown. But 4th wife Robyn Brown has less than a decade in her marriage. Sister Wives, jealousy over Cody Brown. Cody, Robyn, Mary, Janelle, and Christine Brown have often been asked about jealousy issues. They've played it down in the past. Furthermore, polygamy is part of the SW family religious beliefs. They credit it as the reason they're in a plural marriage and how they work out their problems. A recent report includes Cody, Mary Brown, Robin Brown, Christine Brown, and Janelle Brown debunking some of the preconceived notions of their marriage. First of all, they don't use the term polygamy. That's because they prefer to refer to their lifestyle as plural marriage. This is a term they often use on the Sister Wives show. Cody Brown and each of his wives recently shared some of the things they'd like people to know about their SW marriage. Janelle sounds surprised about the acceptance from fans. Mary Brown shared how she well aware it's the train wrecks in their lives that make headlines. The everyday normal activities of life among the sister wives and their kids go unnoticed. Instead, headlines focus on their problems. Cody, Janelle, Christine, Mary, and Robin Brown change perceptions. Janelle Brown believes they've changed some fans' perceptions of polygamy. Especially for those who watched Sister Wives from the beginning on TLC. People now realize that besides having a crowded marriage, they are as normal as many families. Janelle, second wife of the Brown family, sees her family as blessed. Just having the opportunity to change some of the opinions about having multiple wives is a privilege, this SW star believes. Christine Brown shares that the family gets many well wishes from people learning about their marriage lifestyle. Christine is the third wife to enter into this plural marriage. She touched by the large number of people who've been really sweet to the Sister Wives clan. But also, Robin Brown commented on their marriage and caught the attention of fans online. Besides Robin explaining how religion guides their lives, she calls it essential. She said their belief in God and their faith keeps the peace within their SW plural union. Robin then said, "You don't see a lot of catfights in our family." She again contributes this to their religious beliefs. So, in essence, she's saying that it's God that keeps catfights to a minimum. But if you notice, she didn't say that you don't see any catfights, she said you don't see a lot. From the way she phrased this, it sounds like catfights are few and far between. That seems to mean catfights do happen within the Sister Wives family. Or at least, this is how some of the commenters seemed to take that quote. The jealousy was obvious on the first season when Robin Brown first came onto the Sister Wives TLC show. But people find it hard to believe that it's not still an issue today. Cody Brown has 4 wives, and jealousy is human nature. Watch the new season of SW on TLC Sunday nights. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.